Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's QGIS tutorial, I will show you how to download OpenStreetMap data directly into QGIS using the QuickOSM plugin. With this plugin, you can easily extract the roads, buildings, land use and other types of data which are available in OSM data for any location. So this video is helpful for GIS students, planner, researchers and beginners who are interested in GIS for learning. First, let's get started. So, first of all, what is OpenStreetMap? So, actually, OpenStreetMap or OSM data, it's a free and open source global geographic database created by the volunteers. So, OSM data includes roads, transport networks, buildings, land use, and other amenity types such as schools, colleges, that kind of building data sets. Everything is available for like globally. So, in this data set locations or the accuracy, the amount of data sets containing it will be changed to place by location by location. So some location it will have all the data sets. For some location it will have the fewer data sets only, but it's openly available data set, so anyone can download and you can use it. So to download this OpenStreetMap, so for in QGIS we have the separate plugins called QuickOSM plugin. We'll see like how we can use that plugin and download the dataset for our region of interest. First of all, please open the QGIS software. So once if you open the QGIS software, like this is the UI environment. So go to the plugins, go to the manage and install plugins. First we need to install the QuickOSM plugin to download the like OSM datasets. So if you in the plugin search bar type QuickOSM. So here you can see the QuickOSM plugin, it will be there. If you didn't install the plugin, please click install. In right down side there will be option called install plugin. So I already installed the plugin, so it's showing reinstall or uninstall plugin like that. If you didn't install, if you are using first time the QuickOSM plugin, means you need to first install the plugin. Once if you install the plugins, so in go to the vector menu. In vector menu, in downside you can see the QuickOSM, that option you can see it. Then click the QuickOSM. Otherwise, in the toolbar also there will be a QuickOSM, that the emoji it will be there like logo. So you can directly click that logo also. After that, like once you open the QuickOSM, so go to the quick query. In the quick query, so we need to give the first key and the values. Suppose for roads, directly we can't give the roads. For roads means first we need to give like highway. In the highway it's like primary or secondary, tertiary, like other types of roads we need to give as a values. So to get to know about key and the values, here like there will be option called help with and a key or value like that. Click that help with the key or value pair, so it directly redirect into QuickOSM web page. Here you can find like there will be option called help about OSM keys and values. If you click that help about OSM keys and values, here it will show for each type of data like what is the key we need to use like that. So for example, for highway means highway is the key. For in highway there will be a different type of values, it will be there: motorway, primary, secondary, tertiary, like unclassified, residential, like that. So if you want to download that particular data sets, means you need to give like that suitable key. So for I will show first we can we'll see like how to download the highway datasets. I given the key is highway and the values. Once if you give the correct key in values, like in that sub values, everything it will show in the value drop down. Here you can select like which type of highway you want to download. So I will first select the primary. Then here in the option there will be options called like 5 options will be there. In means we need to give the any place like Delhi or Mumbai like that. So I'm first time going the Delhi. So Delhi mean all OSM objects with the key equal to highway and the primary in the Delhi area will get downloaded. Suppose if I give for around, means around the Delhi 1000 meter uh, distance, all the primary data set, everything it will get download. Otherwise canvas extend. Canvas extends means like here in QGIS map, like which area you selected to view, like that particular area data it will get downloaded. Layer extend means suppose if you have the save file or boundary, means you can select that boundaries and you can click run query. So for that, like particular boundary area only the data get downloaded. So after that, another not special. Special means it will download all the data sets for globally, but it won't get downloaded. Why means like in OSM plugin there will be a a limitation will be there for each time. So we can download like some certain level of data only. So otherwise it will show a timeout like then if you request for large amount of data sets. So always go to in or layer extend. Try to download by like area by area, like smaller areas by smaller area. So now I am given the in and the Delhi. So I click the runway. So now data get downloading from this website and it will load into our QGIS temporary layer. So now data is got downloaded for like that primary data, like primary highway data sets. Suppose if you are requesting for like other secondary data sets, again you can go quick query highway. I am clicking for secondary Delhi. If I am query, it will download for like secondary that highway roads everything. Suppose for school colleges that kind of data sets you want to download means you can go to QuickOSM building again query. So in I will select for Delhi query. So for school colleges, first in the keyword is like amenity, then value can give for colleges. Yeah, colleges there. So I clicked the college. Now I am running this query. Yeah, colleges and that polygons also got downloaded. So you can see for if you click go to for attribute table, in attribute table it will show the ID OSM ID, it will be there, that type and amenity type it will be there. Then names, here names, that college name also will be here, it will be there. Similarly for highway and like other that also will have the that attribute table. So what type of data sets that one will be like that, it will show everything. So for road names also will be there for some of the roads. So you can, once if you got downloaded, like if you want to save it as for your local means, you can export as a save file or a geo package or like GeoJSON data is based on your like your comfortable type data type. So for quick OSM type, I will show the in base maps. So I will Google terrain, I will add it. Here you can see like, so you can see the roads only. So this is this plugin is like very much simple to use and easy to download for like OSM dataset everything. So if you found this video so helpful, like please like and share, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.